Okay, the other day we made a short video on the UHF unity gain antenna for 450. Actually, it goes from 433 to 470 megahertz. It's a wideband unity gain antenna and a mini mag mount. This is NMO. So we just got a new one, mini mag mount from Amazon today. And the other one worked. There it is. You don't need a very big mag mount for these antennas because there's no wind resistance. This is the VHF antenna. We're going to use on 2 meters. These are supposedly pre-tuned. There's no way to cut them. And then you just attach it to your mag mount here, these mini mag mounts, and they work pretty well. Now the UHF one, I got pretty decent range and good coverage out of that one for the on GMRS and on the 440 amateur bands. And now this is the 2 meter version of this mini mag mount. So we're going to put this on the vehicle, test it out, and that's coming up next, so stay tuned. Okay, with the get the radio over there. This is just a temporary setup, and then we got it on 146.85. Now that's a repeater in the villages, almost 17 miles from here. And we're using this unity gain antenna just sitting right here on the top of a piece of equipment. So I'm going to, and we can get that repeater. So if we just key it up real quick. I don't like ka-chunking, but that's just for an experiment. And the antenna's just sitting. The antenna's just sitting right here, and we're indoors, and that's almost 17 miles from here. But a unity gain antenna just sitting on a piece of equipment. So we'll zoom back. We'll rack it back. There's the antenna just sitting here on top of a piece of equipment. There it is. So as you can see, it's just sitting on top of a piece of equipment in here, exercise equipment. Inside, unity gain. The radio is putting out 50 watts, 50 to 60 watts. But still, you're indoors, surrounded by walls. Repeater's almost 17 miles away, and we're hitting it with a unity gain antenna. Quarter wave. Okay, we're going to mount this on the vehicle, and then we'll conduct additional experiments. I had to flip the microphone around because this is a very directional microphone. So there's the antenna on the roof of the car, that unity gain, which I was hitting almost dead full quadding in the house. And of course, there's the other one, the UHF, and there's the VHF. All right, we got them hooked up to the radio. Right now I got it hooked up to a 2 meter rig. It's a Kenwood 281. Okay, let's check it out. All right, there it is in the car here. We got it hooked up, and there's a repeater that's in their villages. No, actually, that's not it. That's the different one. That one I got to check without what it is. This one's quite far away from here. So, but we can still hit this one. But I'm going to get back to the other one. We'll get back to that in a second here. So let me... Whiskey 2, Mike Quebec Oscar, W2 MQL Mobile, just testing. Anybody around? This is W2 MQO, Whiskey 2, Mike Quebec Oscar, just testing a radio out. Anybody around?
Yeah, station calling. This is KK4H. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is the W2 MQO. I'm over here in Grand Island, just testing out a new antenna and checking it out.
Okay, the name's Mike. Calls KK4AH. I got a bunch of repeaters on scan, and you just happen to come up. But yeah, the audio sounds perfect. And you're making the machine fine.
The repeater's over by the Villages?
You know, I I hate to say this, but I'm not sure. I just got a repeater book. I'll look it up, but I'm not exactly sure where this repeater's at. I just got back on the air about a month ago, and I had a bunch of repeaters put into my memory in my little ICOM here, and it's been maybe about 2 years since I've been on, so I'm not sure where these repeaters are.
Yeah, I looked in the repeater book. It says it's near the Villages somewhere. I just testing out a unity gain antenna I just put on there. I had a 5 dB again. Just want to see if the unity gain is making the trip over there. And it seems like it's doing a good job. It's just an experiment.
Well, I'd say your experiment is successful because it sounds very good.
All right, thanks a lot for the comeback, and that's all I wanted to check out. W2MQ will be clear on your final.
7-3's KK4AH clear.
W2MQL clear. Well, there you have it, folks. Unity gain antenna over to the Villages, about 17 miles from here. Unity using a unity gain antenna and making dead full quieting. So that goes to show, don't dismiss quarter wave antennas. They're low profile, low wind resistance, and they work. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. 73s. Don't forget to subscribe.